Arosa, and for the Paper Buddy Hackathon under the Smart School FinTech Challenge, we present to you Finlyt. Finlyt is a modern school finance management platform designed to digitalize the complete fee life cycle. It enables schools to manage fee structures, collect payments through UPI, cash, check, and bank transfers. It automates reconciliation, generates real-time financial reports, and provides a seamless experience for administrators, accountants, parents, and management, all in a single platform. The tech stack that we have used behind this, for front end, we have used React. For back end, we have used Node. And the database that we are using is Postgres through Neon. The whole website is deployed, and you can check out and interact with this website. So let's start with the overall demonstration of our website. As you can see on the landing page, we have listed all our features, the workflow of our website, and the AI chatbot that we are providing, which we will see later in the video. We have also enabled dark mode as well. Now, the next very important thing is that in the database, we have stored credentials of admin and student. You can access the website or the dashboards using these credentials. Now, I would log in using the admin credentials. As you can see, this is the overall dashboard of the admin, where each and every revenue collected, outstanding dues, defaulters, transactions made are being displayed. The revenue is breakdown into several factors, which can be tuition fee, transport fee, lab special fee, or late fee penalty. These can be categorized into different things, which can be editable by the admin as well. The next important feature is our AI chatbot. Let's ask a basic question to our AI chatbot. Now, as you can see, I asked him about the active default students. So he gave me the list of students who are defaulters. And the number of students exactly matches our number of defaulters over here in the defaulter tracking page, which we will be seeing later. Let's try asking another question. As you can see, it efficiently replies each and every question. Next important feature is the record payment feature. The transactions which are coming from offline mode, which are not made by our website, for example, checks, cash, etc., can be recorded by the admin. So let's, for example, I select Arav Sharma and I select the way or the payment mode. For example, there's a cash payment being made by Arav Sharma. Now, I can categorize it into what type of fee it was, the amount which is being collected, then it's collected by whom, then the receipt number, and the payment date and time. Then the admin needs to upload the receipt photo over here. I would randomly upload any kind of photo right now for demonstrative purpose. And then once confirmed, this payment has been recorded. As you can see, payment recorded successfully. In the transaction log as well, the payment has been recorded successfully, 3,000 cash. Now let's move on to our defaulter tracking page. Here, the students who are yet to pay their fees, who are defaulters, have been listed over here. Now the admin can send direct notification to them, or he can also apply late fees to them. Let's try sending a message to Rohan Sharma. As you can see, the notification has been sent. Let's check it. Now I would log in using Rohan Sharma's credentials to check the notification has been received or not. Now you can see here the payment fee reminder that we sent from the admin dashboard is appearing. Coming back to the defaulter tracking page, we tried sending a notification and it was received successfully. Now let's try adding a fine to Rohan Sharma. Let's say we added 1,500 fine for late fee. The fine has been successfully applied to Rohan Sharma. As you can see, the amount has been updated as well. Let's check on the dashboard as well. So as you can see, a penalty that we applied is successfully applied to Rohan Sharma. So this was our overall defaulter tracking page, where the students who are defaulters are listed and the admin can interact with them through messages, and he can also apply penalties to them. Our very next page is the transaction log page. Now, transaction log page is the page where all the transactions have been listed over here. The transactions, whether which are made from cash or is it coming online or through net banking, whatever, each and every transaction has been listed over here. And admin can export a detailed CSV file of the transactions. As you can see, a detailed CSV file or report has been exported successfully. As you can see, we have provided the record payment option, which does the same functionality. If the payment is coming from check or cash, which is not made from our website, can be recorded here. And it gets updated simultaneously. So all the transactions that are made are displayed on the transaction log. Now let's move on to our very next important page. The reconciliation page is one of the most important modules in Finlyt. Its job is to ensure that every payment received matches the school's financial record. It is used to match the records or payments with bank records. It can detect mismatches. It can verify cash and check payments, etc. So for example, here is a flag condition which is proposed by the accountant or the admin where check bounce condition has been appeared. Here you can see pending reconciliation reports of the students are listed. The admin can either mark it reconciled or it can flag a discrepancy. As you can see, Arav Sharma's 3,000 payment has been reconciled successfully. Similarly, admin can flag a discrepancy. He can select any one of the conditions and then report it. Our next page is the fee structure page, where each and every fee that an institute applies on student has been listed over here. The accountant or the admin can create a new fee structure by clicking on this tab. He can define the late penalty rules, and also the waiver and scholarship conditions or the rules can be applied by the admin. Let's create a new fee structure. As you can see, sports fees 1200, which we created right now, has been applied to students. Next is the student ledger page, where the student ledger page provides a complete financial record for a student right from its admission until he leaves the school. For example, how much fee he was assigned, what amount he has paid, what discount has been given to that student, and what's the outstanding balance. Each and everything has been displayed over here. Also, the timeline has been displayed in chronological order, and is similar for each and every student. Now, from here, the admin can either apply a scholarship to that particular student or can either apply a penalty. We have already tried applying penalty and it was successful. Now, let's try applying a scholarship. Let's say we apply scholarship to Rohan Verma. So 10% scholarship was applied to Rohan Verma, as you can see. And also on the dashboard, it's getting reflected successfully, as you can see. And the final page, which is the audit and activity page, where each and every event has been listed in chronological order. So this was all about the admin page. Portal. So I will select any one of the student credentials. So this is the overall dashboard of the student Ananya Patel, and her parents' name has been listed over here. So in the overall dashboard, her outstanding balance and various options like fee payment, receipt downloads, fee structure, and payment history are being given here. So let's move on to the fees and dues page. So each and every fee that has been applied to this particular student by the institution has been displayed over here. And let's try paying this transport fee. Now, obviously, we tried implementing the resort-based payment gateway, but as it has some conditions and also it takes 2-3 days for the approval, we have simulated the payment gateway. So as you can see, 12,000, which we selected from there. Now, here we have provided options of UPI, card payment, net banking, EMIs. Let's try using card payment. So here the payment has been made successfully. Also, the receipt has been generated and these receipts can be downloaded by the student. As you can see, the receipt has been downloaded. So right now we completed 12,000 payment and next page is our payment history page. As you can see, 12,000 has been listed over here. From here also you can download the official receipt. As you can see, the receipt has been downloaded. Now we have given the AI chatbot feature for the student portal as well. Let's ask him simple question. As you can see, a detailed structured fee report has been generated by AI and has been given to the student. Now, again, in digital receipt sections, all the payments that have been made by the student and the receipts have been generated and are listed in this section. And alerts and reminder section, we have tested it and we have seen it right from the admin's portal as well. So all the notifications that are coming have been displayed over here. As you can see, we made a payment of 12,000 right now and it has been displayed here successfully. So this was all about the student portal. We have made the website completely responsive, keeping in mind that parents would access it using the phone. So we recently made a payment of 12,000 and on the dashboard of the admin, it gets reflected as well. Let's try making another payment. Let's say we pay tuition fee. Again, the receipt download option is there. In the payment history, it gets updated successfully. As you can see, tuition fee that we paid has been updated here successfully, and also in the admin portal. The student ledger has also been updated simultaneously. This was all about Finlyt.